you in the dark? Show me the scary parts. Who are you when it's 3 AM and you're all alone and LA doesn't feel like home?
Hey guys, it's your girl Real Jules here today, and today we're gonna do a video because you highly requested this video, and you know, when you highly request a video, I'll do it. So we're gonna do the Insta-Story, you know, how I set up my Insta-Story, what apps I use and how I use them and all this thing. So I'm gonna go on my phone and I'm just gonna show you like little pictures right here on the apps that I use for my Insta-Story layouts, which is Snow, Unfold, Hype Type, sometimes I do use a collage, and InShot. And then the regular apps for my filters and stuff, which is mostly VSCO and Facetune. These apps I literally use on a daily basis for literally my Insta-Story. Everything is just these apps for my Insta-Story. And literally, it's very easy because let's just start with app 1. I'm really tired and hungry, so I may be rambling a lot lately, So we're gonna start with the most one that I use, and it's literally called Unfold. It's basically just showing like a layout on like how you want your story to be organized. There's different filters. There's not filters, but like different like templates. So once you add, like, there's CS1, CS2, CS3. They also have FF1 and RP1. These are different types. The one that you probably do not need to, you know, pay for, I think, was the CS1 and CS2. Because I remember I had to pay for the FF1 and the RP1. I'm not sure if you paid for the SC3. But basically they're like $1.99 each. Well, the two last ones, and they're like literally different templates that you can use. They have like the Polaroid ones, like I'm gonna put an example right here, and also they have like the ripped of the corner one. And if you do not have a picture for like a little literally a background, they have like different little colors. They literally have the gray, the black, the pink, the yellow, the green, the navy blue if you want. And if you want a background with a picture, they also have the Unsplash. So basically artsy little photos you can download for free and add it to your Insta-Story. And also on the bottom left corner, it's literally an eye, so you can see how you want your Insta-Story to be. It could be, you know, black and white, or you could be black, white, you know, just set it up the way you want it to. It's a little bit more artsy. So Hype Type is basically, if you've seen one of my videos, like one of my Insta-Story, I'm going to show you right here. It literally will give you different types of, you know, filters, and also different types of text. I know we can get the text, you know, when you swipe up. If you want to do the swipe up thing, you could just on the Insta-Story swipe up and clear right swipe up, and it shows you arrows. But this one's just like a little fancy like templates, you know. I'm gonna show you the ones that I have right here. Basically the swishing one and everything, different types, different colors, different like anything you want. This will give it to you. I mainly use this type for the swiping thing, or swipe to shop or stuff. So that's one that I can do. I'm still playing around with it because I got this from what's Vanessa. If you don't recognize her, I'll put a picture right here so you can know. I saw her video and I got into Hype Type, and literally I use it for everything. Okay, the one that I love the most and I have been playing with a lot lately is the InShot. InShot is basically just a app where you can, you know, play with your pictures. You can do the little crazy glitches videos or the pictures. Literally I converted a picture into like something glitchy, like I did right here with my Insta-Story. I'm gonna put it right here. Literally I did some glitchy like literally glitched I'm gonna show you right here, because if you haven't seen my Instagram, and if you haven't been following me on Instagram, why haven't you been following me on Instagram? It'll be in the description below. But yes, literally I can turn my pictures into a glitch mode, which I could do like, let me see what the names of it is. I know there's like different filters. So effect, you got filters, effect, and adjust. And I go to effects, and they have the ghost, the TV. So basically the TV is like the static on the TV, so it literally like moves static. Then we have the glitch, the flip, and everything just adjusted the way you want. I think they even have like the camera one, like where you put the little camera thing on the top, on the bottom, but I know how to do that without it, so I'll probably do a separate video doing that. But yeah, I use just the effects, and it'll go up on my Insta-Story, or it will go up on my Instagram, so you could check it out. You guys already know how I use VSCO. I have like 2 or 4 or 5 videos on like teaching you guys how to use VSCO. Basically they have different filters. This is my go-to app to do. Like I really have like all the filters from A's, B's, C's, D's, A, all of them, and I love using VSCO because they have various of like different filters, like I said. So I've been using that, and the Facetune, you guys already know I like to smooth a little bit of my pictures, not too exaggerating like everyone wants to do, or suck in everything. No, I love my little chunky cells, so not gonna happen. So that's what I do. And for snow, it's basically the same thing. If like you want to add a little bit of makeup, if you want to like, you know, just do a little bit of feature makeup overlook, basically like a Facetune, but a little bit just like you add makeup. That's basically it. But I don't add makeup, but it does smooth my skin a little bit. So but yeah, those are the literally most apps that I use. Is basically the Unfold, the Hype Type, and the InShot, VSCO, and Facetune. Snow I don't use that much, but is something that I use, like not regularly use, but use. Yeah, everything in the description below, so you can go ahead and, you know, if you want to, you know, your Insta-Story feed. What I do recommend is figuring out your colors. Literally, I had to figure out my favorite colors and mix it in. A lot of people just have black and white. Other people have orange and blue. I literally have orange colors, blues, reds, greens, and black and white with brown. Well, depending on like a nude brown. Literally, that is my feed. That is my, like you say, niche, and that's what I basically use. Yeah, just figure out your color range, your niche, and just stick to it, and just incorporate it to your pictures and your basically your Insta story. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to go to the description below, and you can, you know, use my affiliations with links to get Kevyn, Aucoin, all this different shops that I haven't eaten, so I'm sorry if I'm all over the place, but you can go to the link below. There's different links for affiliation links for you guys to use, and also, you know, subscribe, because if you haven't, you know, we're close to 17,000 subscribers. I'm so happy, you know, you guys are amazing. And yeah, oh, post notification shout out, I forgot. Oh wait, I'll be back. So post notification shout out goes to, what's her, Chargers underscore, not under, yeah, I think the underscore slash thing, Latina. She always answers my video, well, answers, she always comments in my videos, she always interacts in my videos. And yes, go to the description below. Well, not really, sometimes I don't put it on the description, but I'll put it right here so you can go into her channel, comment that you came from me, subscribe to her channel, and watch her videos. Her videos are amazing, so you can do that. And I see you guys next time. Thanksgiving is coming, so I don't know if I'm very loyal to you guys, so I probably am gonna, you know, upload on Saturday. Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna go and eat because I'm starving and my brain is going all over the place. And yeah, I see you guys next time. Bye.